Let me introduce you to the VDA group. We are an Italian leading international group with more than 30 years of history. We focus on luxury and design switches, home and building automation, as well as IPTV. We serve both the residential and the hospitality industry, and our goal is to create a superb product with unique features, cutting-edge technology, and easy to use both from an installation and an end-user point of view. We proudly engineer, develop, and produce all our software and hardware in-house, and this is why we can really tailor the product to our customer very needs. Our switches, they come with a wired and wireless technology, Modbus and Z-Wave respectively. Our switches line come with 3 finishes. First, our design-winning Vitrum collection, which made in sculpted glass and crafted piece by piece. Our tech collection. And finally, our new stone collection. Is actually your front panel is an actual piece of stone that can operate your life. That is truly magical. Our second division embraces home and building automation and is specifically addressed for the residential and the hospitality industry. We can provide this solution both on a wired or wireless platform. Again, Modbus or Z-Wave, meaning that you can dim your light, operate your blinds, or you can even create lighting and blind scenarios. You can end up controlling all the devices you have in your house at your fingertips. We can control all your audio and video appliances like TV, soundbars, audio appliances, satellite, including every other specific function of your remote. Integrate your climate, the alarm, and IP cameras. You can actually dim your lights with your fingers, turn them on or off, or create scenarios, which embraces lights, blinds, or music. You can eventually control your RGB lights and create chromotherapy scenarios. You can operate your electronic doors, your blinds for every other room of your house. You can access your house from wherever you are. We can implement energy efficient scenarios. When you go away from your home, we can turn off the lights, shut down your blinds, close the curtain, turn the alarm on, and set the temperature a little bit higher. When you come home, you touch the home button, your home will pre-cool and start up your light scenarios and your favorite playlist. By doing that, you will save a lot of money. Let me introduce you now to our MicroMaster system. It's a Modbus system, wired and is specifically designed and engineered to meet the needs of hotel managers as hotel guests. The system senses your presence and it can run with all the 3 lines of our Vitrum collection. You can control your temperature, call for a maid, or don't disturb. Let me introduce you now to our 4th generation IPTV platform called On Air, which is entirely cloud-based, extremely flexible, in order to provide hotel managers with the ultimate solution to match every single need they have. Their guests will be able to stream their own content both from an iOS or Android device into their TV. This will actually have them feel they're really home. Get in touch with us. We'd love to tell you much more and come up with a specific tailor-made solution to match every single need you have.